Akraba.
You mentioned my name. I'm Melton. Oh, sorry, I didn't get Thursday. Sorry. And then me.
There's a one na me on.
And then me.
And then Wednesday.
Na white.
Also be sebi.
For
bisasa. Madam Mildred US or Fred Papa Bill so bisa Papa Bill say at the Nigeria short to white shirt and I'm no, it can never happen because white shirts no.
You gotta play.
Wow. But the unfortunate thing is that this shirt I'm wearing is new. I just bought it, this afternoon because
I wish they were white.
I put on white and then but baby there was no way I could go back to the house and then change. And shop now me call now white shirt. Surprisingly, I'm like, wow. So white shirts are now either. It will not fit me and it looks big on me. I'm saying no, Charlie. Yeah, no tina maybe share to be a so let me just put on to me. I'm on
my Facebook. Adom 106.3.
That's what happened.
Wednesday we share white G Edio BB. I was
Obi the control chacha. I
we are so surprised.
Yeah.
Vampire.
Yeah, it happens, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's just part of
because
it,
early morning, no cry, no, na me share white. Cry, mommy call, and the cry me a cool for you, work out. I was still living in white, and then later, me bird you, mommy, and I to fast when I'm so well. And yet, you're fun,
okay, now, and once I it's me, you'll be see her not Yabona Basso. Only me per se Yabona Basso ye, sister Bia. Otonyum pa especially oko gospel side ona otonyum pe ya brajery utie ne se o perform life ne nsesa sene etie na netie na metie ne story sometime chill gume oso ono na fie nye na ebi ni hokra enye ene anya me de chair na enka ne nsampo enkona no ene hwan ena mpese me bona baso none other than Sister Tiwa.
Sister Tiwa.
Yes. Sister Mami ya. So some me fear din Tiwa. Me am fear din wonu kra woni mo se.
Minimum.
Meju pizza ska.
Aba.
Meju pizza ska. Woni me fear din meju pizza.
Na minimum ade no so san se minimum.
Woni meju pizza.
Den kra asem.
Like what we done am to me house I share. Mama hey ajeri ho ha me we chiri ha no. Bra woni. It's a number say about sister no. Abaso. Maame na Abaso ya DJ my namesake Tiwa baby I will be nyame sure what on your match. And a backing vocalist for no mutimi did what she was watching ho akwata ne band. But loyalty ne boy din. Sister Tiwa actually loyalty wo hoi. Yenton because otimine ya sapon abonyoma ka woni nyumbi anka wodi tumu ma yete ne no me so hwere ba akoma me hwere ya sapon nyumbi amami me an my say other me an me say Christ asumdwe nka ti bra jeri ehwehwe ni nyina no ene oni aye bona baso Sister Tiwa one ya sapon tonyom so ya sapon ma me bi ka no kokko bi no fe tonyom papa ne nso demote ya no ate say we die Tiwa Mike Pakwasi on Facebook. Or Sister Sandy be a guy. I love your outfit. You're looking stunning. Thank you. Mame Abna Gambi or swag people. Me nyande yeshia. Adam mo bebo mo musiaka sa award bi. Manager me present. I had just a more poncha ye. Just a more poncha ye. Boy. No na odasu you ko Facebook sister na make na asem no. Bra wo boy adwuma atin amisha. But who so where you Sister Tiwa atoso eti mo amunim no mo nhwe no Facebook na mo ntie nyuma brajeri na ba didia na ba ku beira na ho ko heno why ne onya bebre na ho ba didia na ba ku beira na ho ko heno Bejani akaleo akowe bakuno asowune swa eniji ni usini wonyina mi ana mitiane ware auswa ma ebere me e mama tankusi wo trasi tene radi wo mafa adinyese
Okay, enti ne ho na buy na ye tie ne ho no.
Ba Jerry no, me bon sama ma. Ah, o ma adwuma de. Ma feel gbanze. Mo hwese me ken. Ka fe no bi papa tira koto akware me nya ha Ofie Kwanso ye ni agro.
Straight up.
Mo boy adwuma. In fact papa Bills ne Jerry ne African bre me ase me ni boni din ma. J Cole so say no heni chi.
Jamestown J Cole, you know.
Ba jo ma adwuma de wa ma feel area yo. Like mamre.
And just say mamre. O yo hima.
Yeah, when you abema say afa ne tuto na ton na hwe. Enti we sister na Jeka ne ho asemi. Tiwa. Facebook I am Miss Adom Mills. So this is the Sunday. And then there wunye easy nanka. Ame. Mickey Parkwesi. Or said the woman is evergreen. Ghana for Kofi Ajenim Boateng. Tiwa is underrated in Ghana. She's evergreen. God bless her. And she is Nam. Or says the Sunday new menu. We say free Kwesi Isaac. Because Tiwa is the best in GH. Music must give her an award. And only issue no. Ghana hano. And you want and our talent to be. And a betche because my men what on your macho. What on your match? But I me feel. What made you man anything? Enti Tiwana Mote and no. Last story I made day Eja Kwino. Artist be a me who say or more try. They are doing so well. Like obi ho ya dear but na as we nya push no. And it shine Jeko Shosha African to some me. African ya enya African. Or ya dear. Utie enyuma African ba. I guess you know how to you feel so a dancer artist. Na mene Rastaman binam and I'm a bo African. Otie no say Ghana nam see be Ghana boy. No so wow. Ain't African so see another underrated artist ye be about them be some dey be Jamaica bia na wakot na ho na ya hwede obenye free mo honom ye to asu kwaku smoke nso rap mo amotema boy or rap very very good or a good rapper ojade wotu ani hwie omo amaba be YP so ade kakra enye kakra like ojade unim artist bi oyade a me so ba comment section no na mpese ye beg you up because omunya akwanya na ne e ba je unim artist bi a wo try
mini bebre omu try
what did mama
isi omo ba ni omu try
e be yes sir gospel crowd bodina e ma me Mary Agima isi obo gospel ono so me hu say
say lady you wa bananse ye isi ma wenya isi ono say what try
ma wenya
ani nyum wo gospel mu ye kama pa
ene me so ya fa jam na because I'm I mean they are doing so well. And all that. You know, I mean, only will be your idea, or they just hit me up. Then you say, "Chiam with a mono." But once a dear Munef, my wing and Abbey.
I saw some more.
But just over my door. I've never feel it. Mammy, too, on a mechanic home. Mechanic delay cacre. I know you man wouldn't win. Bass, I hope I say, what is shaman did you say? It's the artist. I'm Radon, so air try. Because we're Sania or yet creative with dear Oyeno. Amado benya daje and some sinya easy class up can boom the atonium but or the bear rap a bit so into Amado so DJ and a lot of guys out there into all yeah dear who don't give up the time will definitely come Tiraja my man must make a bisanyum on a doom team I person me team my winger na miss me can be said or yeah dear
oh yeah de no come up
and yeah we me too na
the be na amount for you be come
oh African that's on Facebook African we was so Rastafarian I only rascal could remember baba sisia because kuku bible no any African na ishia into African munko streaming na mun search the oko use African SoundCloud African ne AFREEKAN African any Africa like Africa anti Braja in patrol wipe you also be able wipe you
busy wipe you okay I'm going for mom right all right
mic check 1 2 okay fella ASEM with the fella this be the 2010 fella
all right so it's your birthday today a happy birthday going out to you madam Ajekai Odanton. Oh yeah, trade fair la.
Business 20.
And this one is coming from Ohima We Super. Wishing you a happy birthday and God's blessings for you as you celebrate your birthday today. And a happy birthday also going out to Gloria Owusu of Dinashi Farmer. Hey, music farmers you.
I'll still give Richie because it's
anyway, so a happy birthday going out to Gloria Owusu of Dinashi Preparatory School.
My boys to the show, but
you go on and have a wonderful day from Set Several.
Fella. ASEM with the
trying to pharmacy.
Fella.
And special greetings going out to you, Rosemary, all the way in Austria. To say, Papa, you be a bear fire, right?
You take hits, so escape blank say in them Freddie May way they go to remix. The new art.
Good evening, Jerry. Please wish my sister Vida of Community 19
just to make front page
for me. Wish her for you. Anyway, they are trying to make good evening. Please wish my sister Vida of Community 18 for me.
Unaware.
But that's from Lizzie.
They want to know.
Intimation.
Still recorded on the.
Whatever you wanted to wish for your sister, I have wished.
Ghana's most beautiful. Yeah, give it three.
Maybe it's a birthday wish though.
Hey,
they're buying a mature. Maybe they are trying to make maybe go. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already.